The hose is getting lighter. Lighter, very light. Okay. Now we got all that washed out. Nothing left. Light, light, light. Okay, now close that black water tank. Don't want any contamination between the two tanks. So close that off. And now the gray water. Here we go. Here's your shower water. Okay, you can hear some of that coming down. And after that's all finished draining, then we'll close the tank, take the red hook off, put the black cap back on. And there you have it. Now some people, they want to be green and they want to just have their gray water tank water their garden. So if that's the case, they will keep this on and they will hook up their garden hose to this little hole here, and once their gray water tank is full, they will hook up that garden hose and release that valve, and there you have it. You are watering your garden with your shower water. Make sure that the soap is environmentally friendly. Okay? Just a little more trickling. Now let's help it along. It's getting lighter and lighter and lighter. And once you're all done here, go inside the RV and you'll check out the gauge. It should show empty. And there you have it. Here at the ABBA Self and RV Storage, RV Dump Station. Okay, just so you know, there's your city sewer, garbage can, water, just ignore that. There's your hose, and just some, in case you want to fill up water and air for your tires. Alrighty, and hope you enjoyed that. And even though it's kind of difficult for some people, it's actually very easy once you get the hang of it. Alright, good luck. And signing off, Lexington by Forest River in Concord, Pleasant Hill, California.